Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Mekanka. Today we are going to tie-dye our clothes in 4 different ways. Here I've taken one plain white t-shirt and with the help of a fork I'll twist it in one direction with nice pleats and secure it with some elastic bands. I recently bought this t-shirt to wear on Holi. I was hoping this t-shirt will get some good color stains on it, but since we all were following social distancing rules, I actually didn't get a chance to wear it and play with colors. So I thought, why not tie-dye it since it's trending everywhere these days. Okay, for this I am going to use fabric colors here mixed with little amount of water. Water kinda helps with the consistency and easy absorption. I have taken 3 different shades for this one, that is orange, red and purple. After mixing the colors well, just slowly pour on the t-shirt. Try to avoid any extra spillage. My heart really saddens when good shades go waste. Pour around half of the mixture on the top side and we need to save the rest for bottom side. Just make sure you are putting the same shade on the back side as well. Orange goes to the exact flipped opposite of orange, red on the flipped red side, and same applies to the purple as well. Well, the science here is the portion that first absorbs color will create the beautiful patterns. The part that are tightly secured inside, not receiving the color, will remain white. So this is a first pattern where I have used less amount of color comparatively. For second pattern, I am going to nicely fold this white top and give it a kind of circular wrap, secure with elastic band. This particular pattern I am actually trying for the first time, that too on a nude top. This is for my younger sister and I just hope I don't ruin it. I am using 2 shades here, yellow and light blue, and both the shades are more diluted with water than the previous one. Reason being, I wanted the fabric to fully absorb the shades, leaving no white space. For that to happen, you got to have some extra amount of color mixture. As you can see, I have generously poured the color, and the behind the scene part where I didn't let the color on the plate go waste and dabbed this top in it has been cut out from the video. As my sister decided, it's best not to show to the entire world how much of an Uncle Scrooge I am when it comes to wasting anything, especially my art supplies. Okay, so earlier we worked with 2 white tops. Here I've taken 2 black tops to tie-dye it with fabric bleach. For this very purpose, we decided it's best to use some old clothes so that even if anything goes wrong with the fabric, we won't feel that sad. So continue with the same procedure, gather the piece of cloth and tie it with some elastic to hold the pattern. I'd say use the larger elastics as they'll be easier to handle, and I almost forgot to tell you, please wear gloves as we are going to use fabric bleach. Now bleach is basically a fabric whitener used to brighten your white laundry, and since we are going to use it in concentrated form and not diluted in a bucket full of water as we do for whites, you are strongly advised to wear a pair of gloves to protect your skin from coming in direct contact. The science here that works is the part of cloth that comes in direct contact of the bleach will fade its color. It depends on the bleach and the fabric as well, the result that you will get. I am using Rin bleach, which was earlier known as Rin Ala. Pour it in little amount and repeat the process on the back side of the clothes as well. As you can see, a reddish tint came within seconds of pouring. I am going to wash the bleached t-shirts separately first before putting them in the washing machine. So I kept these t-shirts for little more than 1 hour. I wanted this particular faded shade, so I rinsed them early. If you want more stronger faded shades, I'll advise you to keep them soaked for 2-3 hours. Let's see how my first swirl pattern came out. I kept it undisturbed for 3 hours. Oh my goodness, isn't this a beautiful swirl? Okay, let's see how the second pattern comes out. Again, kept for 3 hours undisturbed. Whoa, how well the colors intermixed, no? I am loving it already. Okay, I'll show you how good all 4 of the t-shirts turned out, and we made Instagram reels wearing them. I hope you guys appreciate our video and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Instagram and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.